Welcome to my channel. Once again I am here with a new video for you. Aquarius 2020 horoscope, a look at the year ahead. Aquarius horoscope 2020 predicts that many new opportunities will come your way this year. Is 2020 a good year for the Aquarius? 2020 is a great year to try to improve yourself and your surrounding. You are likely to feel more impulsive this year, which will bring some changes in your life. You are also more direct this year, which can also help you to get ahead. Be careful when it comes to getting ahead of yourself, though. Aquarius is the penultimate sign in the Western zodiac. You would be an Aquarius if you were born between January 21st and February 18th. Aquarians have many great traits, as well as a few bad ones that will shape their personality. Aquarians tend to be friendly and honest when they are with their friends. They love to be independent and creative. They are highly intelligent people, but at times they can be unemotional and detached. All of these traits can help to define the average Aquarius zodiac horoscope for 2020. Let's see how. Aquarius 2020 love predictions. Aquarius, you are likely to feel extra passionate this year with your partner. If you do not have a partner, then it's a great year to work on getting one. You will feel more romantic and charming, which can easily draw new people towards you. When it comes to your current partner, your spontaneous nature will bring some fun and excitement into your marriage relationship, which is sure to spice things up a little bit. Read about dating an Aquarius. If you are single, then you should go to some new places so that you can meet new people. You are much more likely to find romance with new people rather than with your friends. Also, you are likely to be more emotional around your friends and family this year. You are simply more likely to feel more comfortable around these groups of people. There is no need to keep appearances up around the people you know you well. Feel free to be yourself. This is also a good year to have a baby. Aquarius career prospects for 2020. Astrology 2020 predicts that you are likely to succeed and change in your work this year. You will need to work with your co-workers more this year. Also, try not to be impulsive at work. This is a place of business, a place to be serious. Aquarius, you will need to make some adjustments to act more professional if you want to advance in your career in 2020. Aquarius finance 2020 forecasts. What is money to you? This will be a trivial question for you this year in 2020. Aquarius, you will have enough money to pay your bills and pay off some debts. You should be able to buy nearly everything that you want to. While this is fun and good, do your best not to fall into debt because of it. Health horoscope for the water bearer. Aquarius, this year you will need to make up your mind about what you want to do about your health. There may be some issue that you have been struggling with, and this year you will need to make a decision about it. If you can, try to exercise, but don't push yourself too much. Know your limits. Some more advice: drink a lot of water, eat well, and make sure that you get enough sleep in 2020. 2020 forecasts for Aquarius birthdays. There will be some changes in your life in 2020. New opportunities, people, and changes will come your way this year. Aquarius, you need to know when and where your creativity and natural traits are needed and enjoyed.